Poppa here. Let's cook a nice sandwich. We're going to cook it on the griddle. It's going to be really fun and a little different. Now you've seen me do a lot of these chicken cutlets, and I'm going to show you how I do that. So we got our chicken cutlets. We have a bowl of 4 eggs with desert gold in it, whipped. We have a cup of panko, a cup of Parmesan, and about 3 tablespoons of desert gold into the breading. Then we just have some flour. Okay, I want to take you through all the ingredients so you know. See, we got our chicken cutlets. We got thinly sliced mozzarella. Any kind of tomato sauce you want. Big Poppa's, Little Louie's, seasoned garlic salt with black pepper, desert gold, which is everything I think you want in California. Beautiful sesame, garlic, lemon, pepper, salt, everything you want. Got some safflower oil for the griddle, avocado spray to touch up. Fresh basil, melted garlic butter, and 2 bakery ciabatta rolls. So, that's the players. We're gonna bread them up, we're gonna cook them on the griddle, we're gonna get them nice and crispy, we're gonna flip them over, and then we're gonna paint a little marinara on them, put some of the mozzarella, sprinkle some of the Parmesan, maybe even torch it with a little secret, and then serve it on this. Then I'm going to do actually a little salad, little lettuce, of some lemon vinegar, some olive oil, and some arugula for the base. So we'll be making that next. This is going to be a beautiful chicken parm sandwich. And we want some green in there, and arugula is really good. Very simple what we're going to do to the arugula. Not even going to toss it. My thumb on the lemon champagne citrus vinegar. Drizzle some olive oil. Shake of desert gold. Very delicately blend. Okay, it's not delicate. Sometimes dressings, the simpler the better. Oh, that's going to be such a great contrast to the tomato and the cheese and the chicken. So we're going to put this over here. Our ingredients. Now it's time to do the chicken. Since I'm just cooking for the 2 of us, it's only 2 cutlets. And 2. Just for fun, took my glove off, touched the bread. We just get an idea of the size. Okay, I think that one will be fine. We'll just trim this up so it fits good. Beautiful. Now here comes the magic. Now this is a 3-step dip. We take our chicken, we're gonna dredge it in the flour. Shake it nicely. Then we're going to dip it in the egg desert gold mix. Then it's going to go over here into our panko Parmesan desert gold flour. It's been on the chicken, so press it down good. We want to get some of that Parmesan and stuff into the crevices. 1 down, 1 to go. Now I think these are beautiful cutlets. Okay, we got that part. So we're gonna move these over here. Chop the fresh basil up. Before we go outside, let's baste these buns in the garlic butter. Interesting thing on bread. If I'm cooking it on an open fire, I don't butter it first. If I'm cooking on a griddle, I absolutely do, because I want to toast it on the griddle. So we're going to open these up. Give it nice. So what I do is I microwave this butter, or you can melt it in a pan. And this is about 3/4 of a cube. Don't tell anybody. 3/4 cups of cubes. So that one's done. On the griddle, I want the garlic butter to like toast and caramelize and be kind of crunchy, which is nice because everything's going to be soft on the inside. So we got just one more we're going to do, and then we'll go outside and we'll cook it. And I think it's going to be a real exciting dish. Chicken parm, I just love. I love doing it on the griddle. It's a little bit of a shock, but it works phenomenally. Well, I'll let you be the judge. Here we go. So, see you outside. Here we go. Let's get some oil on the pan. Spread it out nice. Let that sit there for a second. Put some parchment on it. Give it a nice press. Probably about 5 minutes. Yep, not right where I want it before I flip it. Oh, that's beautiful. Look, I really am excited about this. Now, we're just going to get a little crisp going there before we start loading them up. Okay, I think we're ready to do some loading. Like I said, cook these up, put them in the refrigerator. You can just hit them on the skillet real quick. They crisp up nicely. Make a sandwich with them, make a pasta dish. I like them on salad. You take a salad and you just toss them in there. So now we're going to do this tomato sauce. Now I can make my own tomato sauce. I'm trying to show you guys easy recipes where you can feel pretty fun, impress your friends and family, and still have a life and a job. Break a little basil in there. It's about $3.25. Okay, we got mozzarella there, thinly sliced. Just a little more. A little cheeseburger on it. Look at that. Oh, baby. Look at that melted cheese. Check our thermopen. Yep. They're done. Toast our buns. I want them to get really good and toasted. They're getting a little pressed. I could smell that garlic. If you guys have smell-o-vision at home. Perfect. At the bottom, place some arugula on it. Gonna have that nice vinegar in there. Nice little desert gold, picking it up, olive oil. There you have it. Some mayonnaise on this side. Just a little bit. Oh, baby. I hope you guys like this.